So we're going to just keep putting the beads on the string or on the wire. I prefer to use wire because it stays. I prefer to use wire because it's a lot easier to string your beads. You can use string or rope or whatever you prefer. And only 4 more left. So once you have all your beads on, you are going to want to cut your wire. And I just simply cut it with a pair of scissors. And we need to tie these off. I'm afraid my beads are going to run. So let me find my little ties. So all you simply do is put one end in. And then if you have steadier hands than me, it would be easy, but then you have to put the other end in. If you haven't noticed, I shake a lot, and I mean a lot. Alright, so once you get those in, you want to pull them tight. Get your crimping tool and just push down on it. Just to make sure they don't come apart. We're not really going to worry about the way that looks, because what we're fixing to do is make a tassel to go on the end. And I'm going to show you a really easy way to make a cute tassel. Okay, so what we're going to get is, I actually ordered this off of, I believe it was wish.com, and it's silk embroidery string. Gotta get it untangled because it was in a box. Maybe I should have untangled it before I started recording. But we'll speed through this part. Alright, maybe that will be enough. We'll see. If it's not, we can add some more to it. So what I simply do is I hold my string and you just want to wrap it around your hand. 3. And with this one, I wrapped it around 15 times. So now we need to tie off this top. So I'm going to use another little piece of the string. Simply come up here. I hope you can see what I'm doing. And I am going to tie it. I tie it really tight. Simply just tie a knot. Cut off the string. we are going to find the center. We're going to pull all of our string down, and we're simply going to cut it. Okay, now I have this little jewelry piece that I had also gotten, and we are going to feed our string up through the middle of it. Sometimes this doesn't work and you have to use a craft needle, but I can't find mine right now, so might have to improvise with some more string. Cut a little bit off. See, I have my string, and then I simply pull it up through there. Some of my little ends did not get cut, so I'm going to cut them now. Now, you can make these tassels as big or as small as you want. Once we get it all cut off, up in here, we want to make them, you know, somewhat even. Doesn't have to be perfect. So we're just going to trim off some of this excess. Like so. Now with this, I shouldn't have done that, but that's fine. We are going to bring our tassel over here. What did I do with my little piece of string? Now we're going to do the string just like we did, but we're going to pull it back through to the bottom. After we wrap it around here. Oop, I messed up. Yep. Alright, we're going to try that again. Because my strings aren't even, I only pulled one, so it pulled it off. I'm going to make our strings a little bit even, or our wire a little bit more even. And we're going to try it again. By simply feeding. Okay, so I found one, and I found the other. So we're going to grab the ends and pull our string back through for our tassel. once you have pulled it back through, we need some way to tie it off. So what I usually do is I will go around all of this 2 or 3 times, and then I will tie a knot. And another way you can do this is with hot glue. You can just hot glue it, wrap it around, hot glue it, and be done. But I always like taking the hard way. For some reason, I like to challenge myself. Now, I have that pulled through. And now he's texting me. Or somebody's texting me. And it can wait, because I'm going to get this done. Another thing, I want to feed these wires back through also. Sorry guys, the battery on my camera died and I didn't know it. The way I finished the tassel was to use hot glue gun after all. I just couldn't get the knot to hold. And this is the finished tassel and bead chain.